Mainstream media has found out that Internet Computer Protocol is artificial intelligence, and soon they will realize that it is the only fully on chain real version of artificial intelligence and the best cryptocurrency technology that the world has to offer. And because of that, the price will not be at this $13 mark for long. In this video, we're going to go over who has realized it and what was announced that made them realize that artificial intelligence is truly on the internet computer. But first, I want to welcome everyone to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's get into internet computer. So currently, the price is pretty strong, around $13. And you can say, wait, I thought you said that everyone was getting a hold of this. Well, just think, this week, all the main cryptocurrencies are down. If we look, Bitcoin down 7%, Ethereum down 10%, BNB down 10%. You see all these reds for the week. Internet computer is up 2% on the week, okay? But why am I saying that mainstream media is catching on? Look at this stuff, guys. If you just search internet computer, you've got the House of Crypto, who has like almost 120,000 subscribers, who I like. Internet computer update. The update is mind-blowing. All in Crypto, who I like. The internet computer just stepped into the AI arena. It did not just step in, but you just found out that it stepped in. So let's go over who else has just found out. And these people have large followings, and I like all of them. I really do. They just haven't been knowledgeable on internet computer, but that they have a lot of following, and soon their followers will know about it, and they will come in and purchase internet computer, and it will send the price skyrocketing. So another one I really like, Altcoin Daily. This is unreal, and he's featuring internet computer. Guys, this is not going to last long. And if we look right here, this was the House of Crypto, what I was saying. Internet computer, this update is mind-blowing. And like this person, CrypKings, has another massive YouTube account touting ICP. This entry will be gone soon, setting up support, then next leg to $26. I fully agree. But what happened that made everyone start talking about internet computer? Well, Dom from ICP came out and made a video right here about AI running on the blockchain as a smart contract. And what he was featuring in this video, I'm not going to play it, but I do recommend everyone to go watch it, is ICP fully on-chain detection of images. So basically, this currently takes approximately 10 seconds. But here's a picture, as you can see, with a cup of espresso on a pair of jeans or on some type of jean fabric. And it ran the AI model, and it showed that espresso is 12.3 score, coffee mug got 11 score, and jean 11 score. And he did this on a few different topics. He did it on a vehicle. I think there was an animal that he did it on, and it showed how accurate this fully on-chain AI detection is. And the truth is, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to internet computer and artificial intelligence. But this was internet computer doing some publicity, doing some advertising. And that's been my biggest argument with the team, is that the team is very strong. The team is full of scientists. They've got the largest R&D out of the entire cryptocurrency space with over 270 members, yet they do not do a lot of publicity. And sometimes the smartest people in life, the scientists, the stuff like that, they're very good at developing technologies, but not necessarily good salesmen. And on the flip side, you have people that are really good salesmen, Solana, and it doesn't have very good tech or reliable tech, when internet computer is by far the best overall technology in all of cryptocurrency. And so let's look at what Dfinity and internet computer have done in the past to get involved more with artificial intelligence. So this was Definity Foundation introduced 5 million grant to support decentralized artificial intelligence, and this was last year. But what are some advantages of AI on internet computer? Okay, run AI in an open environment on a public network, and it's all open source, so people can audit the way that these LLMs, large language models, have been trained. Run AI in a way that allows AI models and data being used for training and interference to be kept separate, allowing for different parties who don't trust each other to combine their models and data in an open marketplace. I think this is very important. You don't have one left-wing company making all their AI and people only listen to that, or one far right wing making theirs and people only listen to that. These should be able to talk to each other and bounce off of each other to come up with the best answer for the people. So run AI that is truly integrated with Web3, where it can be called by on-chain, blockchain, and code smart contracts. It would be ran on canisters on internet computer, but that's the biggest thing, on chain. So many Web3 projects are not actually on chain. The token's on chain, but nothing else really. And so I think internet computer with having full AI smart contracts coming soon is going to be huge. So something else that Dom talked about in this video was that currently it's 32-bit, and which limits the canister to about 4 gigs of memory or usage. So it limits the amount of data that the artificial intelligence large language model can query, essentially. But they are soon, within a month or two, going to be updating to 64-bit, which will raise that up to over 10 gigabytes of data that can be compiled to look at different images or any type of AI, and that'll also increase the speed of this a lot. But like I said, internet computer is not new to artificial intelligence. This is their artificial intelligence umbrella right here. They have all different one, Viverse, ICGPT, but they're all kind of with a different subset. But this right here, Alina AI, what this is kind of like their foundation for an artificial intelligent bot, or what they call it. So basically, you would name, characteristic, description of an AI agent, okay? Then you would feed the AI agent comprehensive knowledge file. So you've got to understand, when you're using ChatGPT, when you're using any of these AI models, they have been trained by something, okay? Whether that's Google, whether that's secret third party, either way, they have been trained. And so the beauty of this is that it's all open source. So if this AI was trained by a very left wing or a very right wing, that's fine, as long as it's open source to the people. And then you would be able to know that where that's coming from. If you were asking an AI medical information, for instance, and you come to find out that the data that was fed to it didn't believe in vaccines, so then maybe they're feeding stuff that would say that people shouldn't get vaccines, or the other way around. But the whole point of it, all of that's fine. You can have all those different artificial intelligence large language models, but it has to be open source. The people have to be able to audit it and see what is training those models that they're using. And so I think this is very, very promising, but this has been around. Internet computer is consistently upgrading it, but they haven't always been good at getting their name out there. But so we're at a 13-cent mark, guys. None of this is financial advice, as always. I bought at $11 when it not crashed, but when it went down a few days ago. I should have bought more, but I'm about to buy some more. I really am. I do not think this price is going to last long when we have respects of people like Altcoin Daily, All in Crypto, the House of Crypto talking about this. These are some very big influencers who have a very big following, and soon I do not see the price of internet computers staying. But the truth is, internet computer is the only real decentralized artificial intelligence, and we're just at the tip of the iceberg for this. But as always, I want to welcome you all to Freeman Finance and Crypto. Good things are going to be coming to the channel, guys. I got me a new very good computer. Shout out to Soho PC in South Houston. He helped me out with the computer. I am getting more technology, more stuff to help out the channel and bring better quality videos to all the Freeman and Finance family, because I love you all. But please subscribe, click the button right above, click this YouTube video and watch it, and please comment down below, what do you think about internet computer? Are your bags packed? And more. Thank you.